Adding frequently bought together products on Shopify can significantly enhance the shopping experience and increase average order value. To start, navigate to the Shopify App Store and search for frequently bought together apps, such as also bought or frequently bought together. Choose an app that suits your business needs and install it. Once the app is installed, go to the app settings and configure the display options, such as the number of products to show in the placement on the product page. You can also customize the design to match your store's theme. The app will automatically suggest products that are frequently bought together based on your store's sales data. You can also manually add products to the frequently bought together section. To do this, go to the product page and click on the frequently bought together tab. Then select the products you want to add. It's essential to choose products that are relevant and complementary to the main product. For example, if you're selling a camera, you could suggest a memory card, a tripod, or a camera bag. Make sure the suggested products are in stock and have a reasonable price point. To maximize the effectiveness of the frequently bought together feature, make sure to monitor and analyze the performance of the suggested products. You can use Shopify Analytics to track the sales and revenue generated from the frequently bought together section. Best practices include keeping the number of suggested products to a minimum, ideally between 2 to 4, to avoid overwhelming the customer. Also, make sure to update the frequently bought together section regularly to keep the suggestions fresh and relevant. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively add frequently bought together products on Shopify and enhance the shopping experience for your customers, ultimately increasing sales and revenue.